legal career beyond corporate and litigation, then immigration law is something you can explore. The important legislations governing the immigration sector include the Foreigners Act, the Immigration Carriers Liability Act, the Citizenship Act, the Passports Act, and the Visa Manual. The key concepts you can focus on while preparing include the visa regulations, the foreigners registration and compliances, the asylum and refugee law, and the concept related to deportation and removal. Some of the key considerations in practice you can keep in mind include the concept related to FDI compliance, the concept of employer compliance, that is the legal obligations of Indian employers who hire foreign nationals. Next is the cross-border legal issues covering immigration challenges faced by people moving between India and other countries, including addressing conflict of laws in the immigration matter. You can also do a quick revision of Indian legal precedents and recent rulings related to immigration matters, especially those related to visa denial or overstays. The important authorities governing immigration laws include the Ministry of Home Affairs, the DGI, that is the Director General of Immigration, the Indian embassies and consulates abroad, and the foreigners regional registration officers. Some important emerging trends you can read upon include e-visas, the skilled worker visas, the regulations for OCIs and PIOs, along with the Citizenship Amendment Act and NRC. Share this video with your friends who might want to learn this. All the best.